fantastic trip. Thank you so much for taking us around.
Yeah, he made everything so easy. It was quick to get in, that we didn't have to ask any questions, and like he knew how to answer all of our questions, and I mean, it's amazing. It's beautiful.
So thanks once again. Be bold, be Bookify. Thank you.
In front of Burj Khalifa, you could see that. All right, I got two beautiful people with me today, and this is Debbie. Hi, Debbie.
Hi.
And how was your tour today?
Today it was really, really good, and I didn't think I'd see as much as Dubai as I did today. It was brilliant. I had a really good time, and it was really good. I would definitely recommend it to all my friends.
Today I guided Lucy from Australia in the Old City, on Mount Zion, Mount of Olives, and today also on the Temple Mount. Lucy, how did you like the tour and the guiding?
The tour was fantastic. It was very professional and well organized, and the tour guide was very knowledgeable.
What's your experience with Bookify?
Well, I highly recommend Bookify. Highly recommend it. It was easy to use. I was able to have lots of selection, and I feel I actually got my money's worth.